Welcome to 2856 Southwest 170th Street in Burien, a stunning 3-tree point residence where luxury meets breathtaking Puget Sound views. Designed for seamless indoor-outdoor living, the open concept main floor flows effortlessly onto an expansive deck, perfect for entertaining or simply unwinding as the sun sets over the water. The private backyard oasis features a covered patio, gas fireplace, and a relaxing hot tub, offering year-round comfort. Upstairs, the lavish primary suite boasts a spa-like ensuite, an impressive walk-in closet, and a private office. Step onto your exclusive balcony to sip your morning coffee while taking in the serene waterfront scenery. With a versatile layout, an additional wing for extended family or guests, and elevator access from the garage, this home is designed for both elegance and convenience. Located in the coveted 3-tree point community, this is more than a home. It's a lifestyle of coastal beauty, tranquility, and refined living. For more information, please visit 3treepoint.seattlearealifestyle.com. Thank you.